Whilst words are what we say, the tone is how we say it. When a voice becomes monotone, we simply stop listening because it becomes background noise. Background noise or ambient noise is any sound other than the sound being monitored, primary sound. If something is interesting, then make it sound interesting by taking the voice up, as I'm doing now, whilst if something is more poignant or dramatic, bring the voice down. Don't make the common mistake of adding volume instead of tone. This just makes you sound like you are shouting, which no one wants to listen to. Think of it as if you are talking to a friend or a family member and you are telling them about something interesting or inviting them to a party. There's two ways of doing this. If I was inviting you to a party and I said, "Hi, it's going to be my 40th birthday party. I'd really like it if you could come along. We're going to have a few drinks in the pub." You'd rather go to a shin kicking contest, wouldn't you? However, if you were to say, "Hi, it's my 40th birthday and I'd really like it if you could all come along and celebrate with me." With this mindset, it'll help you sound more natural. People won't care about what you are saying unless you care about what you are saying.